Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will try to explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. On dividing a number by 1005, the quotient is 785 and the remainder is 108. What is the number? A. 785,931. B. 789,033. C. 785,033. D. 789,931. E. 785,031. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method. The required number is 785 times 1005 plus 108, which is equal to 788,925 plus 108, which is equal to 789,033. And the answer is letter B. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Not bad for the standard method. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option B. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem and how fast it can give us the correct answer. Alright, ChatGPT is analyzing the problem and trying to solve it. Okay, it didn't seem to get the correct answer. According to its calculation, the number is 789,633, which is not part of the options. And we all know, according to the standard method, that the correct answer should be letter B. Oh well, let's try this in Google's Gemini. Here we are in Google's Gemini. Let's paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option B. Let's see if Gemini can get the correct answer this time and see how fast it can give us the correct answer. Alright, that was quick. And Gemini got the correct answer, which is letter B, 789,033, and used the same calculation as the standard method. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Again, the answer is option B. Just check the last digit of 785 times 1005, which is 5 times 5 equals 25. So the last digit is 5. Adding 108 will make the last digit equals 5 plus 8, which is 13, and the last digit will become 3. This eliminates options A, D, and E. From between options B and C, option C can also be eliminated since the first 3 digits in it are 785. The logic here is when 785 is multiplied by a number greater than 1000, 1005 in this case, the answer will surely be greater than 785,000. And also, when 108 is added to it, the answer will be greater than 785,108. Since 785,033 is less than 785,108, we'll eliminate option C. Hence, the answer is option B. And the estimated time to arrive at that answer is 10 seconds. Wow! Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one. Hope you enjoyed that!